Hi, are you looking to create professional videos without hiring expensive actors or using a lot of equipments? Meet Synthesia. It's a AI-based video creation platform which you can use to create different kind of videos. In this video, you will learn step by step how to use Synthesia to create professional videos. Now, whether you are a business owner or a content creator or a trainer, you can use this platform to create videos within minutes. You can translate it to different languages, use different kind of avatar, tone, and save a lot of time. Earlier, I also provided a tutorial on Heygen, which is a similar software to Synthesia. And if you want to learn more about it, then please check out one of the previous video. Now let's dive in. So get started. First, we'll go to synthesia.io. Um, so here you can create your own free account. I use Google Sign In, and I'll just sign into my account. So as I mentioned, right, we can use Synthesia to create AI videos based on avatars. So let's get started. Um, let's pick a new video template. It's showing me some of the default templates. Let's use one of them. Now first let's select an avatar. Okay, so I'll select one of this avatar which I've used earlier. Now one thing which we can do is we can change if you want change this avatar. You just select on it, and you have option to replace avatar. You can have a full body avatar or a small size appearing on side. For the initial kind of video, we will keep it like full screen. Then if you want, we can copy these scenes. So let's copy and create one more scene here. Okay. Now I already have created a script for this video using ChatGPT. I mean, you can also do that or use Perplexity or any other chat platform you want. So I'll just copy some part of this script. Great. So let's have one small part here and then rest of the part in scene 2. Okay. And let's create one more scene. Okay. Okay, let's do duplicate. So we can duplicate a scene, and here we have one more section. Okay, let's try to this. Great. So let's give her a name. Okay. Now what we can do is we can change the background, insert media. So here we are going to do this. And you can get like free videos through Synthesia. They already have a connection with some of the stock content which is free of cost. So we are going to select some of the videos related to Greece. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, and then we can set it as a background. So let's replace the background. And this one we can make it as a circle so that she's talking about it. Now let's change the background of this next scene also. So again, we'll go to media. Already we have some selected pictures of Greece. This looks great. Oh, this looks great. Let me select this one. And Again, we'll bring it to, replace background, and this one will make it small. So, it'll appear that she is talking here. Now, on first screen, if you want, you can have some kind of a title. So we'll give it a title. Let's call it like, um, trip, oh, trip to Greece. Let's change color. So currently, let's make it white. It'll be easier to see here. Oh, great. Oops. Let me make it as, okay, let's move this text to the top. Okay, great. Now you can do like, you can edit this font and do a lot of things. Let's give title to this video. Let's call it Trip to Greece. And this way, if you want, you can create a YouTube channel itself on travel, where one by one, like this one is for Greece, you can have different, cities or different countries, have these kind of script created and have video background of those places and generate hundreds of videos in one go. Same thing for any kind of training presentation or any other video you want AI to create. And the best part is you can also change the language if you want. So I think for now this looks good. Um, Now let's generate a video. Okay. Yeah, this is one thing. Sometime if the audio is not kind of available free of cost, you need to change the audio. So let's do that. So now if you want to add voice or change the voice, you can go here. So here we have selected the avatar name, and then you can use this option to select any kind of a voice. So currently we have choose natural 2. You can use any other and click on it and it will tell you how it sounds. Okay, so hope you got it. And you can change language also. Currently we have this in English. Now let's generate to generate this video. Okay, so for this scene also we need to add a voice. Let's add voice, choose speaker, same, and then natural 2 is done. For each scene, like, you need to select a speaker and voice. Great. Now let's hit generate. I hope we have fixed everything. Great. Now it's generating. So it'll take few minutes to generate.
Planning a trip to Greece. Whether you're chasing ancient ruins, breathtaking beaches, or vibrant nightlife, I've got the perfect 7-day itinerary for you. Stick around for bonus tips to make your trip unforgettable. Hi.
So hope you got an idea. So it has created subtitle also. We can get rid of the text on top and make more edits. But yeah, it's a pretty easy to use tool which you can use to create AI based videos. You have avatar, voice, everything you need. Hope you like this video. If you have any feedback or suggestions, then let me know. If you want me to discuss any other topic, then please share in comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Bye bye.